Okay, so this is my board. It's all-in-one dashboard.com. If you would like to know your progress in the class, you click login. Okay, you log in with your username and your password. You click login. So when you log in to the board, you will welcome to your dashboard. This is my dashboard. Hi, Roger. So if you log in, you can see here your first name. Hi, Esther, or hi, Honorine. I don't know. So I was like a student. So you can see this message is okay. So this is my dashboard. Okay, now I'm waiting for the courses to load. It's coming. I will just make it faster. I will click again. Okay, this is my dashboard. So it's coming. Is my internet very slow this morning? Okay, it's coming. You can see my recently accessed course. Like the course I accessed recently, they appear also in this page. My calendar, which gives me all my assignment and the deadlines I have for this month October. It's for me. For you, it will be different on your dashboard. So every student has his or her own dashboard. Let's move. I will click to my courses to check my course. Right now, I will see every course I am taking at all-in-one. Okay, so you can see my progress at 41% for this class, beginner listening and speaking class. Your goal for this class before 3 months, before you finish your class, you need to find 100%. You don't control. I cannot control. It's automatic. You do your assignment, the teacher correct, and you make progress. You don't make progress if you don't do assignment. You must receive a grade from a teacher at all-in-one so this can move. So I am at a 41% to finish this class. So everyone need to do this and verify the progress. Now, normally each week, and I think I will insist, each week, every student take the photo of this page. I need the photo. You take the photo and you show the teacher your progress each week so I can verify where you are in your board progress. Now, this week, I asked you already to send me the photo of my course so I can see where you are in your LS 101. If you are in other classes, do the same thing for the other classes. So, to go to the class, you can click the photo or you click the name. I will click the name. It's easy for me. And I enter the class. On the left, I have the menu. So each week, I know what to do. The week is on the left. So right now, I was trying to explain how you can submit a document as assignment with no problem. Now, this is assignment 2. It said to do. It means I have not done it. But the green said complete, done. So I finished my assignment 1. I finished. Now, I continue. To make it easy for you, let me change my role to a student. Okay, I will change my role to be like you so you can see what the student has. Okay, this is a student. Welcome, student. So this is like Esther or like Honorine. This is just like what you can see. You go to participant if you want to see your classmates, like your friend who are in the same class like you. Example, I will look at, let me choose, um, no group. Let me just remove no group. I will choose a keyword and I will type Honorine, example. Okay, it's a demo. I want to verify if Honorine, I can chat with Honorine or how long Honorine login. So I see that Honorine is a student and The last time she logged in to the class, to this class, LS 101 on the board, since 39 days. It's a demo, okay? If she log in today, it will change. So the board is transparent. It tells the teacher and tells the students, your classmates, if you are active or not on the board. If I change and I go to another student like Christelle, example, if I click apply, I see that Christelle is on the board since 7 minutes. So it means she has been active. Yes, I think she's now on the board. I think she's on the board. If I want to verify, I can click message here. On the top right, there's a message. I can search for Christelle and verify if we can chat. Like we do on Slack. I will search for Christelle. So there are Christelle Ahisu and Christelle Solange. I need the Ahisu. So I can click on her name and I can see that she's okay, she's offline. Okay, it's okay. I can say hello. So if I'm doing a homework and I need assistance from Christelle, I need help, I can chat with Christelle also on the board. I don't need to go to Slack. I can stay in the board and we can do the chat. So maybe did you finish the assignment too? Please help me. It's a demo. Okay, it's a demo. So if she comes online, she will reply to my message, or if she's online right now, she can send me a reply in the message. If she's offline, she will receive an email that Roger is sending her a message. Okay, this is a one way. You have the chat is a tool. You need to use it to progress also on your board faster. You can add Christelle also in your contact. You can say add to contact. Add. So the board will inform Christelle that someone requests to be his friend or her friend. If she wants, she can accept. If she wants, she can refuse. Okay, it's like transparent. Now go back. Go back. I can close my message drawer. Now let me go back to the course. My goal is to show you how you can add a file to your assignment. So I will just use this assignment number 2, short paraphrasing, short paragraph writing. They said to do, deadline, Tuesday, 21st October. I have a long time. Today is October 8th, is a demo. I will click now on the name of the assignment to complete this assignment. The boss said, I have only one assignment for the week of September 3rd to September 9th. So it's only one assignment. How do I know? Because of this rectangle, it says it's only one. But if I click on this week, I have a 1, 2, and 3. So this rectangle is a good indication that how many assignments I need to do for this week. So this is how you can navigate in your board to go step by step. That's what Christelle is doing. A very good job. But she is making a small mistake, which I explained. What was the mistake? The name of your file. They said you can upload. It means you can upload a document, Word, PDF, something. Or you can also use online tests. They give you 2 attempts. So I can do the assignment 2 times. Okay, and this is my first time, my attempt 1. I did not make any submission, so I did not send anything. I received no grade from teacher, no point. And I have the time remaining. I spend all my time already. I think they gave me 40 minutes. Because I'm a teacher, I don't have this. But if you log in as a student for real, you will see the time. They give you 40 minutes to write your paragraph. I'm sorry, but it's an assignment, okay? But me as a teacher, I have no time limits, okay? Don't worry. Now, if you have some problems or something is not clear, or you made a mistake, you can add a comment here. Please, I didn't show you that. You can say, teacher, my computer has lost internet, so I did not finish. It's a demo, okay? It's if you have any problem when you are doing your homework, something bizarre, you can add a comment to the teacher. So teacher can read your comment before they give you grade. If I have an assignment and I saw a comment, it means that there's a problem. I will read the comment and take the comment into account before giving you a grade. Sometimes I don't give you 0 if the problem does not depend on you. Yes, I read the comment, okay, that's why it did not finish. Okay, I excuse you, and I can give you another chance. I can remove the 0. So it depends. Just communicate. If there's no comment, you can delete. Okay, if there's no comment, it means you did the homework in the best condition. You have no issue, you understood everything, and all is clear. And I will grade you according to this scenario. Good. Cancel. No comments. Now let's come back here. Let's make a pause.